express root cos 25 degrees plus sine 25 degrees by 2 as a sine of an angle. Okay, so we have to express this expression as sine of some angle. Okay, so first note down the given question. Root 3 cos 25 degrees plus sine 25 degrees by 2. Now split the numerators using common denominator. So root 3 cos 25 degrees by 2 plus sine 25 degrees by 2. Now it can be written as root 3 by 2 cos 25 degrees plus 1 by 2 sine 25 degrees. Okay, so root 3 by 2 means we can write it as in terms of sine 60 degrees cos 25 degrees plus 1 by 2 means cos 60 degrees sine 25 degrees. Now this is like a sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, where A is equal to 60 degrees, B is equal to 25 degrees. Then what is the formula? Sine of A plus B. So sine of 60 plus 25. So what is the final answer? Sine of 85 degrees. This is the final answer. Prove that cot pi by 20, cot 3 pi by 20, cot 5 pi by 20, cot 7 pi by 20, cot 9 pi by 20 is equal to 1. So let us consider LHS. So your LHS is cot pi by 20 and cot 3 pi by 20, cot 5 pi by 20, cot 7 pi by 20 and cot 9 pi by 20. So cot pi by 20. So pi by 20 means 180 by 20. 0 cancel, 2 ones, 2 nines. So cot 9 degrees. And cot 3 pi by 20. Pi by 20 means how much? 9. 3 nines, 27 degrees. Cot 5 ones, 5 fours, 45 degrees. Cot 7 pi, 7 into 9, 63 degrees. Cot pi by 20, how much? 9. 9 nines are 81. Now cot 9 degrees, cot 27 degrees, cot 45 much? 1 into cot 63 degrees and cot 81. Okay, so in trigonometry we know that cot 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta. Okay, cot 90 minus theta is equal to what? Tan theta. Okay, let us use this formula. Cot 63 degrees can be written as cot 90 minus 27. 90 degrees minus 27 degrees. Similarly, cot 81 degrees can be written as cot 90 degrees minus 9 degrees. So just we discussed cot 90 minus theta how much? Tan theta. Okay, let us apply same concept here. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta, so tan 27 degrees. Similarly, cot 90 minus theta, tan 9 degrees. Here theta is 27 degrees, here theta is 9 degrees. Now substitute these values here. Now cot 9 degrees, cot 27 degrees into 1 and into, so cot 63 degrees how much? Cot 63 means tan 27 degrees. Cot 81 means tan 9 degrees. Okay. Now cot 9 degrees tan 27. So cot 9 degrees tan 9 degrees how much? 1. Why? We know that tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Now cot 9 degrees, cot 27 degrees, tan 27 means 1 by cot 27 degrees into tan 9 degrees means 1 by cot 9 degrees. Cot 9 degrees cancel, cot 27 cots and cancel, you will get 1 into 1, 1. This is equals to RHS. So LHS equals to RHS. Hence proved. Prove that 1 plus cos pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10 is equals to 1 by 16. Okay. So let us consider LHS. 1 plus cos pi by 10. Pi by 10 means how much? 180 by 10 into 1 plus cos 3 into 180 by 10. Pi means 180 degrees only. 1 plus cos 7 into 180 by 10 into 1 plus cos 9 into 180 by 10. 10 ones are 10 18s, so you will get 1 plus cos 18, 1 plus cos 10 ones 10 18s 54 degrees, 1 plus cos 7 into 18 how much? 720s are 140. Okay, na? So 7 18s 126 degrees. 1 plus 10 ones 10 is 9 18s 18. Okay, 18 10s are 180. So 18 9s are how much? Cos 162 degrees. Okay, now 1 plus cos 18 degrees, 1 plus cos 54 degrees. Now let us discuss one important formula, cos 180 minus theta. So cos 180 minus theta how much? Minus cos theta. This is very important. Cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, because 180 minus theta means which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant only sine cosecant are positive, so cos is negative, and 180 is even multiple of 90, so cos becomes cos only. So cos 180 minus theta equals to minus cos 90. Okay, cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Now see, here cos 126 can be written as, cos 126 can be written as, see how I will write. Cos 126 is equals to cos 180 minus 54 degrees. Am I right? 180 degrees minus 54 degrees. Now what is the formula? Minus cos 54 degrees. Similarly, cos 162 degrees can be written as cos 180 minus 18 degrees is equals to minus cos 18 degrees. Okay, now here we can write 1 cos 126 how much? 1 minus cos 54 degrees. Here cos 162 1 minus cos 18 degrees. See, 1 plus cos 18 degrees, 1 minus cos 18 degrees. This is like a plus b into a minus b formula. A square minus b square. Similarly, a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Okay. Let us move on to the next step. 1 square means how much? 1 minus cos square 18 degrees. 1 square 1 minus cos square 54 degrees. Now let us apply one identity, most famous identity in trigonometry. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now I want sine square theta. Now sine square theta equal to, now transpose cos square theta to RHS. You will get 1 minus cos square theta. So sine square theta formula 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly 1 minus cos square theta. Then answer is what? Sine square theta, sine square 18 degrees into 1 minus cos square theta again, sine square theta value how much here? 54 degrees. Now let us discuss about two important formulas. Sine 18 degrees, sine 54 degrees. Sine 18 degrees how much? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. Sine 54 degrees, root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Root 5 plus 1 by 4. Now substitute values here. Sine square 18 degrees. Sine 18 degrees how much? 15 minus 1 by 4. Whole square. Sine square means whole square. Okay. Now sine square 54 degrees. Root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. Okay. Now numerator is root 5 minus 1 whole square by 4 square. And in denominator root 5 plus 1 by 1 whole square by 4 square. Now so 4 square 4 square. Okay, so 4 square 16, again 4 square 16. So whole square we can write it as root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1 whole square. A minus b into a plus b. This is like a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. Root 5 whole square minus 1 square whole square by 16 into 16. Square root cancel. 5 minus 1 square 1 whole square by 16 into 16. 5 minus 1 how much? 4. Okay. So 4 square by 16 into 16. 4 square means 16. This 16 cancel. So answer 1 by 16. So LHS equals to RHS. So value of 1 plus cos pi by 10, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10, 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10 and 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10 is equals to 1 by 16.